Here are my piece of advice how to be good at algorithms. The first one is data structure and algorithm. This is absolutely essential, and your chosen methods for learning, such as online courses, textbooks, videos are great options. Choose the resources that match your learning style and provide good explanations with practical examples. And the second is math and logic. Sharpening your logic skills through riders and puzzles is a fun and effective way to improve your problem-solving approach. Gradually increasing the difficulty will keep you challenged and engaged. The other is big on notation. Understanding how to analyze the time in the space complexity for algorithms is crucial for choosing the most efficient solution for your problem. You have to make sure that you can confidently analyze common algorithms and compare their performance. The other is implementation. Putting your theoretical knowledge into practice by implementing algorithms in your chosen programming language is vital. This will solidify your understanding and build your practical skills. And also participating in daily coding challenge is a fantastic way to stay motivated and improve your problem solving skills under pressure. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, CodeSignal, and CodeForces offer a variety of problems at different difficulty levels. And also understand dynamic programming. This is a powerful optimization technique that you should definitely learn. It might seem advanced initially, but practicing problems will help you gain confidence and master its potential. Familiarizing yourself with common interview questions will help you prepare for future coding interviews. Practice solving problems under timed conditions to build your confidence and refine your problem solving approach. Here are also additional tips. Consistency is key. Dedicate regular time to practice algorithms, even if it is just for a short period each day. Join online community. Connect with other algorithm enthusiasts online or in person to share knowledge, ask questions, and learn from each other. Don't get discouraged. It takes time and effort to master algorithms. Don't be discouraged by initial challenges, but keep practicing and learning to gradually improve your problem solving skills. So I'm always here to help you further. Feel free to ask me any specific questions you have about algorithms, data structures, or problem solving techniques in the comments section of this video or in the Telegram groups as well. Good luck on your journey to becoming a master of algorithms. Thanks for watching.